The engine hums, a choir of steel. Its hymn a riddle no hands can feel. Through curves of fate it whispers clear, why some are bound while others steer. The car crimson, lone, untamed, a vessel for the rare unnamed. Through the tunnel shadows fall, a mystic realm where few can call. Not speed alone, nor courage bright, but something deeper guides the flight. The line they see, the rhythm they find, a gift unspoken, a different mind. What makes one faster, no one knows. A flame that burns, yet never shows. The wheel obeys, a hidden thread. The talent lives where others dread. No map can teach, no rule can bind. The fleeting spark, the master's kind. The hands may learn, the mind may strive, but only few keep art alive. The racer feels what others chase, a touch of God's, a boundless space. Each second folds, each moment bends, where skill begins and effort ends. So rare the gift, so fine the line, a sacred pulse, a thread divine. Like painters born to blend and trace, the racer shapes the roaring space. A gift not earned, but freely passed, a dance with time, too fast, too vast. Through danger's face, through death's embrace, they carve their names in fleeting space. But not for glory, not for gold. Their art is life, unspoken, bold. A mystery sung by wheel and flame, a truth unchased without a name. And as the car flies out of sight, it leaves behind the mystic light. A fleeting glimpse, a passing breath of what it means to race with death. Not just the car, not just the man, but a gift bestowed by no mortal hand.